Log in to the Skoda Connect portal using your email address and password. Select Speed Notification. This service warns you if your user-defined maximum speed limit is exceeded. Click Create Speed Limit to set your speed limits. Enter the name for the new limit. Select how often the service should be activated, whether permanently, on selected days, or only once. Use the slider to define the desired maximum speed limit. Save the set limit by clicking Save. Click Add Limit to add another speed limit. You'll be informed in the Notifications section if the active limit is exceeded. You can select and activate previously defined limits on the portal homepage. Now you can also create a speed limit in the Skoda Connect app. Select Notification in the menu, then tap on Create Speed Notification. Set the required speed and the desired frequency of speed notifications. Choose a name for the speed limit. Then activate the speed limit and save it.